So my name is Aniket Piyush. I'm a BBA LLB 5-year course student in Bharatiya Vidyapeeth New Law College. I'm basically from Muzaffarpur, a town in Bihar. What's my plan is that I belong to a place which is a town. Okay, after Patna, which is capital of Bihar, this is my town is the third place in Bihar. Where would you like to stay if you are opted to go to Bihar, except Patna and the other place? This is the third place. Where would you like to go? So I feel that there is a wide scope of business in clothes, as you also said that the population is young. Okay, you know, they are selling clothes like balloon fit pants in racks in quality of 800 bucks, 900 bucks. They are selling denim with embroidery, with print. People are still buying it in 900 rupees, 700 rupees. I'm asking if I will offer them that thing in 600, 700, shirts in 500, 550. I'm sure they will buy it. They, the owners have a marketplace there. I'm asking just a simple flex, buy this stuff near colleges, कोचिंग क्लासेस आप वहाँ पे लगाओ, छोटे जगहों पे ये चलता है, बिकता है. So this is my initial plan, and after that I can invest. If I get some profit, I will invest further in transportation also. We got only one AC bus service, okay, Volvo bus service in Bihar, that's Gaurav. It started 2 years ago. It charges rupees 250. We can charge little bit amount, a little less amount than 250. So these are my plans, and I can work on it after 15 years, because I know I am not able to collect that much of capital. I have to do it on my own. I have to go for a corporate job for 10 to 15 years, so then I will go for it.
Singh. I'm Anupama Singh and I'm from Varanasi, UP. My father is a area manager in Pravat Fertilizers and my mother is a government employee. She's working with primary schools. And I have a brother. He is in 11. And I did my graduation from RSMT UP College Varanasi and I'm right now pursuing MBA in HR from IMT Bharati Vidyapeeth. And as of my interest, I'm interested in singing. I love to write poems. So in future also I want to publish my own book because near about 100 of poems I've written by myself. So this is a hidden talent in me. Everybody don't know about me that I write poems and all. I love reading books, Adhyatmic kind of books and other books also. And about entrepreneurship, I just think like today right now I'm doing MBA HR. So after 5 years, I want to open my own school where I can provide the students free education along with the midday meal. So it should not be government, but I want to provide these things by my own earnings and all. So if you could help me, if you can give me some idea about that, how to start and how to invest on it, that would be fine for me. Yeah, exactly, primary, because I'm from a very small village. It's Chhotna. It is in nearby Jakhania, UP. So you can find this location in Gazipur. So I have seen that people are not getting education. Even their base is not clear because when you see about primary schools, they are not even teachers are not that much interested to teach students. And students are also not that much want. They are from very poor family. They don't get even proper clothes. I've seen them that in winter they don't have proper clothes to wear. They are shivering by cold and all these things. So these things I felt a lot when I come through all these things. So that was the thing I was thinking. I can open any school for them where I can provide them midday meal and some clothes for all these things. So that was I was thinking when I'll get employed I'll invest my own things and that time I'll publish. I don't want my family to bear all these things.
My name is Ankita Bichkuria. I am pursuing MBA HR from IMED. I am basically from Patna. I have two sisters. They are already married, and now I have to take care of my mother as I don't have my father. He has been passed away when I was in 12. So right now I just want to work for my society. Right now I just have to pursuing my MBA and I have to get a job, and 5 years down the line I am thinking that I have to pick all those people who are just in roadside who their age more than 15 years. I have to pick all those people, make them sharpen their skills and make them work in an industry or a small scale area where they can work and they can earn, because they don't have anything to eat, even a one day meal also. So I know everybody has some skills, knowledge, they can work, but the thing is they should be sharpened enough. They don't know how to take their dreams also. I have also a dream. I know they also have a dream, but they don't have any medium to share that dream. I know if they will get a better education, if they get better skills, they can work very nicely. I just first of all I have to pick those people, make them work, interested areas. If they want to work some small, like some women's, they are good at knitting the things, or they are good at some small some clothes and all, stitching and all. So make them try to literate them in that sphere, and then make them work so that they can earn their livelihood, because they are not even, they don't have a basic income so that they can feed their children also. So I want that I should pick those people, make them work in a small area, small scale, because right now I don't have any finance. So first I have to earn that thing in 5 years down the line, and then if I'll surely work for it. Type of a small scale industry where the age group will be more than 15 years or 18 years, or it will emphasize on those people who are just having small camps. They are living in a roadside. I have seen, and I'm basically from Bihar, so I've seen there also in Pune. Yesterday also I've seen people begging for 1 rupees and 2 rupees. So it was really a very bad, it causes me very bad effect on my emotional side. So I want to work for them. Surely work 5 years down the line, after opting any good job in HR, I'll work for them after 5 years. After earning something in my hand, then I'll work for them.
name is Zakir Vanigar. I am from Bhopal. I have done my engineering in IT, and now I'm pursuing MBA from this particular college. In my family, there is my father. He's working in SBI. My mother, she's working in BSN. Both of them are in Bhopal. Here I'm living with my brother. He's working in Eaton Corporation, and my sister-in-law. She's working in Cognizant. My dream is to start an organization that will do something beneficial for disabled people. Right now I'm doing a project in my disabled methodology for ICT for disabled. So when I see the disabled people, I see they are facing with so many problems. They are not getting the facilities which they need. When you see at the basically in the railway stations and the bus stops, and basically the problem with our mental is we doesn't treat them like they belong to a society. We treat them they are not from here. So I want to develop an organization which will help those people. It can be any terms. We can start a portal where they can register their queries. We can solve them. We have a team of people which can monitor them. They can access their what they are lagging behind, what they are facing, what problems they have, what challenges they are facing, and the technologies at the present at the moment, how they can use them, how beneficial it for them. Basically, till now, no one has created a body for that poor people except from the government. Government has mentioned announced that this fund will be allotted for the disabled, but that has not been applied for that. So we will be creating a body which will help them. We can you can say it's like a bit like a social kind of service where we can. I think a bit. I need to think of more.
Okay.
My name is Ankit Kambata. I am coming from Vadodara, Gujarat. I have done my computer engineering from Bharuch, which is nearby Surat and Vadodara. So my family background is my father is in Gujarat Electricity Board. He is an executive engineer there. First of all, I have big passion for technologies, so I completed my computer engineering because computer is a huge coming up technology towards a youth nations or any of the sector you see over here. So I see computer as a wider scope in each of the sector or in any of the field of business. So I choose computer engineering and management. Management is because for implementation, controlling, planning, all of execution of the management of the technologies can be applied in management skills. So I pursue MBA. I want to be an entrepreneur who'll start. I have a vision of creating a individual solar field on its own home, as India is facing a lot of problem with electricity sales. So my dream is to create an individual solar park, a solar cell on the homes of individual. We can simply take an example of a roof. A roof can be consist of only aluminum. It can be easily replaced by photovoltaic cells, which can generate electricity. So we can easily make our country as a green country. We can go for an eco-friendly country. So rather than wasting our resources like petrol, coal and all that, we can generate an electricity of our own. Just consists of solar panels, generators, inverters are required for this. And there is also the concept for it. But my vision is to implement in each and every aspects in each and every home in India. My beginning will be on the part of where basically the potential customer will be on the builder side. I will approach first the builders, then I'll tell them my concept and approach to them and build my concept through them. So if you take the home of 30 lakhs, in addition to 5 lakhs of my solar plant, they will get an electricity for repair and maintenance for 10 years, and you can get easily electricity for free for your lifetime. So it's a projected cost, but I don't think it can be covered. It can depend upon the home size. What you as India is a country of middle class people, so it's hardly 1 BHK. We can take a 1 BHK flat of an average size of a home. So it can easily converted 7 to 8x can be easily converted into this project for successful solar park.
I'm Sumit Das. I'm pursuing my MBA Bharati Vidyapeeth in Business Analytics. So I'm from Odisha. So my family is a nuclear family, consists of 4 members. My father is a professor, my mother is a homemaker, and my brother is working for a bank. So I have a dream of setting up a residential college because it had been a dream for the last few years. But for the short term, I need to grab a job, seek a job first, and after that, I would be looking out of bringing my dream into reality. In this residential college plan, I would be segregating various dreams, visions into one. I would be accumulating or fusionizing all this into one. My father is from a educational background. He's a professor. He had a dream of teaching people, teaching students. I have a dream of going into an entertainment world, of entertaining people. And my brother is also a good athlete. So I have dreamt of combining all these dreams into one, so that I can provide all these facilities to the people, to the students getting attached to this college. So I can provide these 3 facilities to these people. A student seeking education, he can do that. If he wants to play cricket, badminton or any sports facility, he can get that. Proper coaching can be provided to him. And if I speak of the entertainment world, if he wants to, he want to go into fashion world or any type of recreation activity he wants to do, he can do that. It's not a university. To start up, we need to do it in a smaller basis actually. So these 3 factors, I think, can attract the people actually. And I have no idea as such, because I have seen simple residential colleges yet. They're providing only educational facilities, nothing more than that. So I see Odisha as a good area actually to increase your prospects over there. People are going for different fields over there. So I think this is a nice project.
Okay.
name is Ankit Tiwari. I am currently pursuing MBA from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth. I'm a scholar here. Talking about my family, my father is a deputy general manager in finance department. My mother is a homemaker, and my sister is starting in 12th standard. Talking about my dreams, I would like to start up. I have made a plan, a short plan. I would like to start a gym. I have given a name, Fusion Health Club, with a tagline of "Go hard or go home." I have done the segmentation, targeting, and positioning. For the segmentation, I have mentioned it as a unisex gym. For the targeting, I have mentioned it is for middle and upper class individuals. And for positioning, it has been done like it's a clean, healthy environment to work out. I've done the 4 P's too. The product is like nice, spacious, healthy gym, full with trainers and machines required. For the price, in accordance to the target market, I have said, for the place has targeted basically on metro cities. And from the motion, I'll be using print media, hoardings, pamphlets, or informal ways to telling my friends and everyone. Additional benefits I have added is aerobics, routine checkups, meditation hours, and power yoga. I was just thinking of it. I had a dream. I love to work out. So their targeting is only upper class individual. The fees is very high. The areas which they are in metro cities are very posh areas. So upper middle level class individual or a middle class individual would think that they won't be suited there, or their attitude won't match there. So my gym would be a second home to them. Concentrating on upper class individuals, yes, but yeah, middle class individuals too. So this would be a different idea to
My name is Ankit Tyagi and I belong to Delhi. My father is a contractor. Basically, he is a businessman, you can say. So what he do is he works on a tender basis with the government authorities. My dream is I am looking for a city, a kind of place where I want everybody to live with his dreams, with his or her expectations, what they believe in. Basically, a kind of residential homes which I want to provide them, and I want them to be a part of family, like a different city which is living in separately apart from the world. So that is the idea which I have in my mind, and what I will be going to provide them is some different things, like what are the expectations. Obviously it is a dream, it is a project which I want to do in future. So for that I have to conduct a survey. So definitely where I live in my local area, I'll do the survey and I'll ask from the people that what kind of a place or what kind of a residential environment you want around you, and what kind of people you want around yourself, so that you can feel yourself comfortable, and your children's and everything in the every aspect of life which you want to feel comfortable. So that's what I will do. So this is the plan. Obviously it needs a big amount of investment is required in that. So I've planned for that, and half of the thing is like, if you owns the land, then bank will helps you in providing the financing the whole project. So first the aim is to acquire the land, and then to conduct the survey and just to know from the people that what kind of expectations they have and what kind of beliefs they have that they want in their home, and that's it.